Look at the picture. There are some indicators such as a headstock, spindle, chuck, tool post, compound rest, cross light, tailstock, hand wheel, guideways, bed, lead screw, feed rod, leg, saddle, apron, carriage, and chip pan. Turning. Turning is the process whereby a central lathe is used to produce solids of revolution. It can be done manually in a traditional form of lathe, which frequently requires continuous supervision by the operator, or by using a computer controlled and automated lathe, which does not. This type of machine tool is referred to as having computer numerical control, better known as CNC, and is commonly used with many other types of machine tool besides the lathe. Now talk about some basic turning operations. Facing. The tool is fed radially into the rotating work on one end to create a flat surface on the end. There is a picture of facing. Next one, contour turning. Instead of feeding the tool along a straight line parallel to the axis of rotation as in turning, the tool follows a contour that is other than straight, thus creating a contoured form in the turn part. There is a picture of contour turning. You easily see here the differences between the facing and contour turning. Okay. Next one, form turning. In this operation, sometimes called forming, the tool has a shape that is imparted to the work by plunging the tool radially into the work. And there is a figure of form turning, and you see here the fit. This tool has its own shape. Next one, taper turning. Instead of feed the tool parallel to the axis of rotation of the work, the tool is fed at an angle, thus creating a tapered cylinder or conical shape. And there is a figure of taper turning. Next, chamfering. The cutting edge of the tool is used to cut an angle on the corner of the cylinder, forming what is called a chamfer. And there is a figure of chamfering where alternative feeds is possible. Next one, cutoff. The tool is fed radially into the rotating work at some location along its length to cut off the end of the part. This operation is sometimes referred to as parting. There is a figure of cutoff as well as. Boring. A single point is fed linearly parallel to the axis of rotation on the inside diameter of an existing hole in the part. This is a figure of boring. Next, threading. A pointed tool is fed linearly across the outside surface of the rotating work part in a direction parallel to the axis of rotation at a large effective feed rate, thus creating threads in the cylinder. This is the figure of threading. Drilling. Drilling can be performed on a lathe by feeding the drill into the rotating work along its axis. Reaming can be performed in a similar way. There is a picture of drilling, and the last one, knurling. This is not a machining operation because it does not involve cutting of material. Instead, it is a metal forming operation used to produce a regular cross-hatched pattern in the work surface. And this is a figure of knurling.